You have to intercept the first one before you can throw the second. Not waiting. You when asked to get here. Understood true. In his own right, an art never had failed. The human being had failed. We had enough SB. What that? Okay. Is there any other question?
SB?
Huh?
SB.
So be it. Not BS. Hey, you fall in the trap. Okay, now we're gonna attack it. Why you guys are so quiet that make me nervous? Look at it this way, you see, understand. Penetration even so when you go on outside, because you have to go before ever. But here he hit, yeah? Bang. The computer, his computer goes, yeah? Here. From here, that come. Bang. Automatically. You have to intercept the first one before you can throw the second. Not waiting. Done. You when asked to get here. Understood true. But you do this, yeah? Look away that side. You've been asking to get here, whatever it is. But you follow up strictly, but here, right? See what I mean? Why you have the right? Alright? Right? Right? Because what you should do when you have a fight, okay, may as well, hey, relax and enjoy. Alright? Yes or not? May as well you get hurt, right? Better him than me, right? Right? There. Right? You see here? Right? Alright? Now we're gonna slow this technique, okay? But this is still dangerous, huh? He can hold it over here and here, right? That's the reason why when you come in, hold it. See, you are not keeping attention. Your attention to it, oh, his face was arranged. But look then, where is my feet? See? Always something go with it when another thing fails. Alright? Okay. That one. Boom. Right? Right? My feet is here. Anxious to go. I say no. Right? Right? Alright? You see what that is? Will you do it? Now, we go do this. Alright? Go. One. You see it? The same thing. Why this? Because when he come punch it out, you pull. You understand? May as well you have the work for you. That's the reason why. Right? Yeah. See? That come of course there. Right? The reason why the penetration, yeah, see? Right? That's from the outside, right? How sweet it is, you see? That's for the sweet, okay? What is cover? 2 punches, right? Left, right, right? There's a reason why. Understand this. Here, good but not safe. Here, safe. Look at here, when I'm too far, I make the slide. Right? Because you want to hit him, but you don't want him to hit you, right? How sweet it is. Right? Come in here, look at here. You block to the end, yeah. See? 1, 2. And the rest, use your mediation. Right? They come here. See here? Because why? When you do this, okay, and the other is behind, there is no support of whatsoever. Because this, the punch will come through. Alright? When you do this. Right? But then, together, you see the song, right? Hey, oh, what sweet. Alright? That way, here, right? Back. Alright? Will you try it? Cooperating, you know, you can give me a hard time, but you didn't. You're people, okay? And I want to tell you, thanks, Sifu Bob Thomas again for having me here, and Stephen Blake, he goes flying away to Oregon, you know, and he helped me. I thank you all for being here, you know, without you, I cannot share, okay? Because I'm just a tool for the thing, nothing else, okay? And what I put is a small drop of martial art in a big bucket of martial art. You see, and shall we close up at the salutation. But anyway, would you repeat it after me, please? I present myself to the Creator. In the beginning, I present myself to the best of my ability. I ask for the Creator. In the knowledge of the art, I receive from the Creator. In the things which I do not see. Engrave on my heart until the end. Thank you.
Take pictures if you don't mind.
Oh, no, I don't mind at all.
And also before we go, Hakan Chung, Sifu Hakan Chung, this man, some of you don't even know this man is. This is Sifu Hakan Chung. He actually was Bruce Lee's boyhood buddy in Hong Kong, always getting in fights the way I got it. Anyway, this is Sifu Hakan Chung. He's at the place in Culver City. He's one of the best traditional Wing Chun men around, and also Tai Chi Chuan. So I think we ought to pay respects to Mr. Hakan Chung. You ready? Good.